In this video, I'm going to show you how I ranked number 2 on Google in less than 24 hours. And I'm going to show you my process and the tool that I used in order to achieve this. So let's jump in. So you can see I'm in an incognito window right here. I typed in this keyword right here, super copy AI review. It's a very commercial intent keyword. Anyone that is looking for a certain product and then put review after it, they're already at the bottom of the funnel. They're ready to make a purchasing decision. They already know about the software, the product, and so forth. And so these are going to be less, keyword volume or trafficked keywords, but they're going to be very high search intent. And it also is one of the strategies that has allowed me to make over $600,000 with affiliate marketing. So this stuff does work. But I'm going to show you in 2026 how you can leverage the power and a domain authority of another website in order to get these rankings. So we're going to go take a look right over here. So super copy AI review. You're going to get your classic AI overview by Google that's provided there. Then you're going to get videos right here, which these technically, I don't know how you label these, if this is ranked number 1, 2, 3, 4, but when I'm saying number 2, it's literally the article, because any of your people also ask right here, that doesn't really count as well. And then your first organic like article or blog or website that is ranking is all the way down here. Now that's where we're at in 2026. Look at the dial over here, or the drag bar right over here, where you have to scroll all the way down to halfway down the page to arrive at like an article or a traditional blog or website, right? That's where we're at in 2026. It hasn't always been like this, but I just kind of ignore all the noise and everything over here. And then you come over here, and of course we have AppSumo has a massive authority in this space, but then lo and behold, right over here, look at this, Reddit. It already has a comment, and it was from 1 day ago. Very important. 1 day ago, I posted this. Super Copy AI, is this $49 copywriter worth it in 2026? And you can see right over here, it did pull this final verdict. Super Copy AI is a decent niche tool for agency style short form content, but it's not the no BS solution for serious SEO driven. So you can see that like maybe perhaps my content was able to go past all these other, and then of course I'm ranking right here as well. So I've been able to get 2 of the top spots on page 1 and ranking above a bunch of other stuff, even ranking above Super Copy AI themselves. But when we come over here, one of the strategies that I like is that I actually did use my transcript and then use another software to actually rewrite it. And so it still is going to offer a different flavor and a different style than anybody else that's reviewing Super Copy most of the time. There's not going to be very many people that actually went and took it for like a 30-minute, 1-hour test drive and then actually went and wrote an article about it. Most of the time, you guys already know, people are just plugging in the keyword and using a AI writer, and it's going to go out there and just find all the information about it. And so I think that mine's the most kind of authentic content. So that probably helped me rank really high, but then also the fact that I'm using Reddit right here. And just so you know, there was a bunch of other Reddit posts as well. If we can come down over here, we went and took out other Reddit posts. So like right over here, people are talking about Super Copy right over here 6 months ago on Reddit. And as I was doing my research, there was more Reddit give me an honest experience about Copy AI. So I had found a few of them, but certainly I'm going to show you now how we did this. So we did in fact get a number 2 ranking right here, and we're using the power and authority of Reddit. Some call this Parasite SEO. 2 other sites that are really popular for this strategy is medium.com, and then also LinkedIn posts. So going and creating a LinkedIn post on LinkedIn, that is likely to rank as well. So those are kind of the 3 main, but I chose Reddit to see, and I've never really gotten really into this, but I'm very, very impressed with the results that we were able to get. So let's go jump in real quick. And so when you click on that, it's actually going to take you to this post right here. Okay, let me just show you how I do that. If we go to Super Copy AI real quick, Super Copy AI review, and we come down here, I just wanted to make sure I showed you that in an incognito window so you could see that it was, those are the actual rankings that I'm getting. And then we come over here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this, right? So from a quick heads up, I just launched a new community called AI Software Workflows, and it's for anyone overwhelmed by AI tools and software right now. The goal is simple: help you get clarity on what tools you actually need, how they fit together, and block out all the noise and hype. There's already a great group of members inside sharing real experiences, workflows, and honest takes on software and lifetime deals.
You also get access to a brand new course called Build Your First AI Software Stack, which walks you through choosing the right tools for your business without overcomplicating things. It's free to join right now, but it will be moving to a paid community soon. If you want in, join today, link in the description.
One day ago, we'll click on that, right? So you click on that, it's going to take you to this post right here. And I just created this account right over here. Or actually, no, this is like an older account, but I created a brand new community called LearnWire. You're able to go check it out, follow it if you would like. That'd be really cool. But really, I'm using this more of a test kind of community so I can put some valuable content over here and then see if I can rank it. And it's really just for testing so I can kind of see if we can get some traffic to certain things, right? So we have this entire post right here. So keep track right here. The images should look pretty. These should ring a bell with if you've been watching some of my other videos about the software I'm going to be reviewing in just a minute. So you can come down over here and a really nice, this is not something that just was thrown up and, it's a 1,500 word gibberish hallucinated AI article. This is based on my real experience test driving and a very structured content. It looked really good. I did spend some time, I'll be honest. I spent time cleaning it up, getting rid of links that were not, the software that I use brought in some links that were not on my website. I would reference something on my website. Maybe it's an old tag, but it's actually not like an actual blog article. So I made sure to get rid of all that as well. And then you can see right over here, we even got and now this is a little bit of a self-promoted spammy kind of a comment, someone that's obviously knows how to use Reddit, but still I'll take it. Like I'll take the activity, because if you're getting a comment, even if they're self-promoting, they actually are saying, hey, go check out writer.so right over here. So, but it is a thought out comment. It's not just, oh, I like this, but have you tried this? They actually did a well thought out post. Obviously they're using AI and they have this on alert and so forth, but I have to give them credit because that's what we all want. We all want traffic, right? And this probably works. But we did get one upvote. We did get a comment right there, which is really nice. And I'm new to Reddit, guys. You guys type in Reddit or Parasite SEO below and I'll know what you're talking about. This strategy. Comment below and just let me know if you've used this strategy, if you've had any results. Have you made any affiliate sales with this? Have you gotten more traffic to your website by using Reddit? I've just always stayed away from Reddit, but recently I was talking to a member in one of my school communities and they said, hey, what I've been doing is creating my own community and then just using that for posting. So that was kind of an inspiration for me to try this out as well for myself. That way I'm posting on my own community. So I'm not going to get moderators taking down my post or getting flagged because that's something that I've heard in the past is that it's really if you go into a big, large community or subreddit and then you just start posting on there. And if you drop any kind of link or self-promotion, usually you get flagged or get banned or something like that. So I've just kind of stayed away from it. And who knows, maybe it's time for me to experiment a little bit. So this is my first experiment and so far so good, right? A number 2 spot in less than 24 hours on Google. And it's not just the spot that we got. Pay attention right here, guys. 389 views, almost 400 views came into this article. That means that 400 other eyeballs and over 50% of it is United States tier 1 traffic right here. This is real traffic coming in and checking out the article. We got a comment and an upvote. So that's kind of enough to at least get me just a little bit more interested that there is some activity. What I would really like to see is if I can start running these articles and having a very specific call to action that we could start tracking and seeing if we can actually get Reddit traffic clicking on our links. How cool would that be? So last but not least, how did I create this article right here? Super Copy AI. Look at all the images right here. Well, it's this new tool that just launched a couple months ago by Avi, digital creator Avi. He has a YouTube channel with about 22,000 subscribers on it. He's real big into SEO and everything. And he's been working on this tool for the last couple of years. He has a development team and everything. This is not vibe coded. I've gone back and forth about 20 or 30 emails with him by this point. And they will be launching on another, on a lifetime deal platform that honestly, I've never even heard of. So that's kind of cool. He's going to be launching on Unit as well. But he, reached out to me last year in December. And I said, hey, I'll take a look at your software come in January. So I did that. And it's been a couple of years since I really kind of gave it the time and test drove a new AI writing app, because you guys already know I'm really big on Koala, Agility Writer, and SEO Writing.ai. So I just kind of had seen enough of these AI writers, right, and made my mind up over the last couple of years. But this one was different. He built it in a way that I would have kind of imagined building a lot of these features myself. He's kept the simplicity very easy to use the software as well. So I'm just going to go over here to my content real quick and just show you. So I'm going to go in here. I have this LearnWire Reddit test now. They have this folder system, which is super, super cool. I like that. And you can see right over here, I click on this. This is the article that I wrote, Super Copy AI Review. We created 3 images. We have Super Copy AI Review right there. And look at this image right over here. And then let's go in here and look at the image right there, right? And then scroll down over here. You can look at the content. There's the next art image that was created. And there's the image that was created right here. Now, when I talked about cleanup, it found some of these links are not on my website. So I don't know where those came from, but I went ahead and removed those links. And I also didn't want to have a bunch of self-promoted links on my, even though it's my own community on Reddit, and I moderate my own stuff. And so it probably doesn't matter, but I didn't want it to like only reference my website and, kind of tone down that self-promotion, if you will. I think that that's safe to do that on pretty much if you're going to post on another website. So yeah, it kind of went a little overboard on some of these links over here. So I kind of cleaned that up. There was maybe 1 or 2 links that I left in there, but this is the content right over here that we wrote. We went and made this post, and it's completely just copy and paste post into here. And we were able to get like 400 views on this in one day. And most importantly, obviously, the big reveal is that we were able to Super Copy AI Review. We were able to get a number 2 ranking basically overnight, in less than 24 hours. Super Copy AI Review. So when people come over here, they might come over here and actually see this and click on it and go and check out what I have to say about that. So I think that the more legitimate that you can do, and this is a legitimate post, because I'm going to show you how I went about doing this. I went to generate content, right? And when you go into the generate content section, I actually took I didn't take like the transcript. I have another software that's already creating a blog post for me, and it's ending up in my ghost.org hosted website, learnwirepro.com. But I haven't really been posting there. Hasn't been really one of my strategies really to, continue posting content on my website and so forth. That's for another video. But certainly I went and took that article, which is really, really good content, and it's based on my transcript. It's taking my transcript and writing a very nice structured blog post for me. So I took that blog post, right? It's based on my transcript. It's based on factual, real, reviewed information, and I pasted it into the additional context box. And then I obviously took this down right over here. And then what I ended up doing is I went through all my settings and everything, and I wrote the article. And then that's where we ended up with the article over here. And then once I was done with that, I went ahead and copied the article and pasted it into Reddit and got an overnight rank number 2. So what do you guys think? Again, please comment below. What do you guys think about this strategy? What I'm going to do next is I'm going to write another article and try to get it ranking so that I can go ahead and see how many rankings I can actually get using Reddit. Because I can tell you right now, if I put this on my website, even if I did, I'm just not going to rank on page 1 because I just don't have the authority. And that's what everybody's facing right now, right? You're going to have to get a massive backlink campaign going and everything to start ranking. And so by using Reddit, we're just flat out able to skip the line and use the power. I do think that the content matters. This content is really good content. And that comes back to how well WordRocket is actually writing the content here. So what do you guys think? Really cool. The first link below, you can actually go and get, right now it's on lifetime deal. And I have an exclusive deal worked out with Avi for my audience. He's giving you $50 off. You just click the first link below, you go and sign up for a free account. And then once you're inside of there, you go and upgrade to the unlimited version, you get $50 off. So it's like $149, a lifetime deal. You'll get all of this, and they take care of all of the images, which is one of the most impressive things what I'm noticing about this is probably the best image creator, and I'll just show you that real quick. If I actually go into my images over here, these pickleball images from yesterday, I did another video, but this right here, let me just go into my content and show you that. So how to play pickleball. This was just, it does this amazing job with the thumbnail, cover thumbnail. And then when you come down over here, this was just night and day difference. The way that it created this right here based on just putting how to play pickleball into the system and letting it write. The images are just insane compared to any, and I'm talking about the best koala, agility, SEO writing. The images are just a massive highlight. The ease of use right over here of the tool, I can't say enough good things about the tool. So right now it's on lifetime deal. I don't know how much longer that's going to last. Link below. You guys told me to keep these coming, and I was going to try to get my first page 1 ranking. It happened very fast, and I wanted to make this video about this for you guys, kind of a strategy you could use Parasite SEO to go out there. And now I want to start seeing if I can actually track traffic on a specific link. And of course, if you want to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll report that back to you as well. So thanks so much. Link below. Go pick up WordRocket while it's on lifetime deal. Thank you. See you in the next video.